Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are at National Las Vegas and they've got cars in now. Some of the other videos I've done, it's been slim pickings. So I figured I'd do a quick update. We got an Audi over here. There was a Mustang hardtop. Over in the reserve, they got a bunch of Mustang convertibles. A minivan here. This is all executive aisle. More minivans, Honda minivan you don't see very often. And I think that might be a Palisade. Cherokee, Grand Cherokee, Charger, Dodge Charger. And over in the Alamo Reserve, I saw last year Hemi Challenger. Last year they have a different, we got a Wagoneer in the aisle too. Oh, that's great. Another Audi. Minivan, and it's a regular, also the regular Emerald Isle is on that side. Okay, so we got a Lexus. And these are the minivans, a couple Grand Cherokees, Charger plug-in Cherokees. I think that's another Palisade. One more minivans, a Honda you don't see very often. Odyssey, it doesn't say the trim level or anything. Got a RAV4 XLE. Honda Accord in the regular Emerald Isle. We've got a couple of Kias here. And Dodge Ram, I think that's the base trim, guys. Got an Explorer. Looks like this might even be a limited or a higher. Nope, I don't see a sunroof. Wow, Expedition in the executive. Got a Kia over there, a couple Kias down here, and a bunch of smaller cars. Well, they do have a Prius. Can take a walk down for you guys here. Down to the end, this is the regular aisle. Great to see. This was all empty about a week ago. Great to see some cars finally coming back. And then we got a Honda Accord kind of tucked in the corner here.